कहने के लिए तो सोशल मीडिया है, लेकिन हमें अनसोशल बना दिया। राइट, पहले लोग सोशल हुआ करते थे, आज लोग सोशल मीडिया हो गए।
The lack of face-to-face conversation are
because of social media, cyberbullying, harassment, threatening, so that
it have addicted to everyone, people in this generation, mental health issue.
You got scammed, something
most
like
of the
that.
cases are they sell cheap product and they do fraud to the users.
From social media, you heard about it. There are many people got name and fame like Baba Ka Dhaba. पीछे तो देखो this kind of talent we saw on social
This
media.
is not called we can call
From
that
social media.
talent.
Yeah,
This is not called talent.
But they got name and fame now. Show your talent. So how you can show your talent? You have to go on a reality show. But in reality show you will not get chance. But in social media you can show your talent, your skill around the world.
Who monitors the debate? He or she is called educator. उनको क्या बोलते हैं? एजुकेटर, जो मॉनिटर करता है। तो आई एम एजुकेटर। Good morning to the educator and good morning my fellow mates, and my name is Abdullah. Today I feel so honored to be the part of this great session and this debate, and I'm going to talk about it. I'm going to speak for the motion of social media is good, because I think that in comparison to social media is bad, social media has many benefits, is far better than bad, because social media gives us multiple opportunities, multiple platforms, these that. And if you're saying bad, so I'm going to speak against the motion of social media is good, because social media has made us completely mentally ill. बीमार कर दिया है दिमागी तौर पे, मानसिक रूप से. It has affected us. It has made people blind. लोगों को अंधा कर दिया. It has made people completely unsocial. कहने के लिए तो social media है, लेकिन हमें unsocial बना दिया. Right? पहले लोग सोशल हुआ करते थे, आज लोग सोशल मीडिया हो गए. That is why it is very interesting to talk about this topic, this particular topic. Let's initiate. When you talk about this topic is actually a very vast topic, because when you talk about Instagram, you talk about Facebook, you talk about LinkedIn, you talk about YouTube. YouTube is not a social media, but it is a social platform to actually watch the videos and take the contents. And when you talk about multiple things, multiple applications, those are part of social networking and social sites and social media. So we are going to talk about each and everything, right? So
Social media has become the integral part of our life. So nowadays we can't imagine that social media. We can't imagine life without social media. Good morning everyone, and thank you sir for having this opportunity to share my thoughts on social media. If we talk about that on data or facts, so social media, every 4 weeks, every week there are 4 crore people looking job on the LinkedIn and LinkedIn or Naukri.com. So we will also use this platform if we talk about for employment or job opportunity. So social media is good for us. If we talk about for connectivity, so we can connect for the other peoples with have similar interest. Like suppose I'm a tech person, I'm talking if I want to connect any other tech person, suppose I'm a teacher, I want to connect with others same similar interest people, so I can connect with me, so I can easily connect with social media like via email, chat, video call, or I can share my thoughts, my feelings via social media.
Great. All right. Please give a round of applause for Tayyab. So Tayyab has exactly explained us that what is the impact and what is the good impact of social media. He has said about social media that social media has multiple benefits. His family members or the colleagues or friends, he can connect easily with the help of social media, and that's a good thing. Now, yes, Nidhi.
Hello everyone, and hello sir.
Hi.
Today we are here for debate on topic social media. Me and my fellow mates are against on social media. Introduce social media in a negative way. Very short. The first thing that social media impact on our youth, like there's a mental health issue because of their screen timing, and so their eyesight was weak, and their screen timing. Because of the screen timing, they sleep at night very late. We can say that they sleep in morning, not at night. Media, and the other thing is the face-to-face time decreases, because today's youth introduce are on video calls or calling, but not to face-to-face conversation are lack of face-to-face conversation are here because of social media. And the third is the privacy, and privacy was leaked. There is a notification, pop-up notification that mention the you agreed your privacy, your share with your photos and contact detail. Because of this we can share our privacy to the social media, and they use this privacy to other platform without our consent.
All right. So you were lost somewhere in yourself and you were not making proper eye contact. So you should make proper eye contact. Yes, Nidhi said well point, because she exactly explained us about that how social media is affecting us. So fake news are spreaded through social media. Yes. That is also one of the bad impact of social media, right?
Today we are discussing social media, bad and like. So I like social media. Social media is biggest. I am Abhishek Kumar, and we are here to talking about the social media is good or bad. Me and my teams are going to talk about social media is not more useful for us, like lack of face-to-face interaction, cyberbullying, they also distract the people. So government was stopped the internet in that time, and also in we can see that in previous month, July 2024, 63.7% of people waste their time in a day by scrolling Instagram only reels. Also, we can see the approx 15,000 suicide cases are registered because of social media, cyberbullying, harassment, threatening. So that, in my opinion, social media is good, but not more useful for.
Well said. Good facts. Abhishek, right?
Social media is an online platform where we can share thoughts, information and pictures and videos. We all use it in our day-to-day life. The biggest benefit of social media because is that people across with world, people sell a lot of things like clothes and online coachings.
Me and my team against for social media. We all know that social media just destroying the life of a student. It have addicted to everyone, people in this generation. So I give some example of disadvantage of social media. First example is mental health issue. According to JAMA Psychiatry, told that those people spend 3 to more hours in social media. Those people are suffering from mental health issue and depression. And my second example is addiction. According to Pew Research Center, 45% teenage student overwhelmed by social media. He is suffering from anxiety, depression, and my own experience is social media. I ordering some tuition in social media in Instagram, and I already give the payment of social media, but order is not received at my home. So this is the big impact of online. So I am totally against for social media. So thank you so much.
I am favoring social media is good because social media provide global connectivity. Social media good because social media provide a good source of information and awareness. Social politicians news and social disaster management news. Any type of news we are get quickly. And third one, educational tool provide in social media. You can enhance your skills, communication skill. You can
Started and you were just talking about your topic and you spoke good points and interesting points, but you said regions. So you said region. So that's not region, that's a reasons, right? It's a z, first of all. Nidhi, you said one point sometimes, you just said in second or third sentence that they are asleep. So they sleep, वो सो जाते हैं. Privacy was leaked. So you are talking generally and normally. So you will not say about the past. Past में नहीं बोलेंगे. Privacy was leaked मतलब एक बार leak हुई थी बस. Privacy is leaked. Leak हो जाती है. And that is why I think social media is a very bad. And then there was third person, Mr. Vikram.
Yes.
Vikram, right? I am favor in नहीं है. I am in favor of. या तो I am favoring. सिर्फ I am favoring, in नहीं लगाएंगे. आई एम इन फेवर ऑफ. आपने बोला all of, जहां पे भी ए आए वहां पे ए को ऑ करना है. ऑल ऑफ, ओ तो ऑलरेडी ऑ है. ऑल ऑफ यू. और कुछ लोग बोलते हैं ऑल ऑफ यू नहीं, ऑल ऑफ यू. If you not afford, if you cannot afford, when you show the inability of something, then you can use this, right? And after that, Arvind, you also spoke each. Sadik, you made few mistakes, but आपने पूरा points copy से ही देख के बोला, तो ये भी गलत है. थोड़ा दिमाग से recall करके बोलना है. अभिषेक, we are to talking about. आपने बोला we are here to talking about, right? So after to we never use ing. to के बाद हम कभी भी ing नहीं लगाते. We are here to talk about, या we are here for talking about. And then government was stopped the internet, or government stopped the internet. Right? It's not people, it's a people, right? PayPal, people. PayPal is an account, na, international account.
Yes.
Chandan, people, example नहीं, example people.
If we are on social media like Instagram or some other platform, ठीक है, the thing is people influencer are saying that I'm buying this product from this page, so the users are like us want to buy same product.
Okay,
ठीक
I
है?
understand your point, that you're trying to say that
Yes.
I will buy from them. Okay,
Yes.
suppose, so why I'm influenced with
This is the
that,
negative point, no?
No, suppose I'm influenced by Abdullah sir.
Yes.
This is reasoning well. So if he will teach bad to me, then it is impact him. Okay, it will impact him. Suppose if one time I will face this problem, but second time I will aware of that. Like,
So
hey,
first time you buy a product from the other users. So when I buy, then I experience. Okay, without experience, I can't say that this users or this page is fraud like this.
so it is not compulsory that you will get the cheap product or any you got scammed, something
Most
like
of the
that.
cases are they sell cheap product and they do fraud to the users.
So I don't know about that how many people have scammed or something like that. But if you want to buy something, you need to use your mind. Okay, if you blindly follow someone, that is not good for anyone.
This is the negative point. You also mentioned that this is the negative point. So if we influence from the influencer,
I just want to inform that. Search about that product. You have a other platform. You need to search other platform also that is product is similar with same price or not. So in this place, we have to think about, or we have to use our mind also.
no, there is a point is that the Instagram product was not on other platform like Flipkart or Amazon's. Okay, so we can't buy from that platform. We only buy from Instagram pages. So the influencer post about the pages from because they got commission. So how we can say that they fraud to they can do fraud to us, or they sell product way cheaper than the quality they sell influencer.
So you mentioned that they are getting commission from
Yes,
influencer.
yes.
So if you already know that someone getting commission, so you have to think about that, na? That he's getting commission, that is not good. That product will not good. Disadvantage. If I talk about the advantage things, like from social media, you heard about it. There are many people got name and fame, like Baba Ka Dhaba. पीछे तो देखो, this kind of talent we saw on social
This
media.
is not called, we can call
From
that
social media.
talent.
Yeah,
This is not called talent.
but they got name and fame na from social
After
media.
that, they
if
are
you
vanished.
do if you do
After-
same like बचपन का प्यार मेरा भूल नहीं जाना रे, something like that.
They are
so
not
you will also
influenced
got
to
name
our
and fame.
youth up in good manner. So we can't say that this is the good platform. So because from this our youth are influenced like in they can't study. they are just making reels and they just doing dance or some shorts or repeating the dialogues. Okay, so the thing is they not gain any knowledgeable thing.
Suppose you are not
And
getting
you can
something
mention
from.
that Baba Ka Dhaba, after the fame, he was you can go and see him, his condition was not good at all now.
At least he got. Nowadays they are doing well. People. They are nowadays that people are getting. Their people are very popular nowadays. We heard about that TikTok now is banned in India, but outside of India is doing well. So from that, there are many people are famous.
Is
from
really
that.
TikTok or like platform like TikTok is good for our youth? Do you think that?
Okay, if you are using something from like limited use, so that time it's good.
You only scroll and seeing some steps without they doing on TikTok not the dance. In fact, they don't dance. Only the form of dance is changed now.
Okay, you're saying that someone dancing or singing or showing his talent. So how you can say that is for curse for us? This is a boon for us, no? You can simply show your talent. Suppose you have a talent or you want to show your talent in a reality show. Do you know
Reality
that?
show is other thing. And
No.
This is the
I'm talking about listen. Show your talent. So how you can show your talent? You have to go on a reality show. But in reality show you will not get chance. But in social media you can show your talent, your skill around the world.
in social media in today's time, in fact, the influencer who got already fame was on another level, but the
Right. Who wants to go from this side?